Zero-based budgeting tutorial, step-by-step for 2026, beginner-friendly. Want to start 2026 with complete control over every single dollar? Zero-based budgeting is the method that forces your income minus expenses to equal zero, meaning every dollar has a job. By the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-use 2026 budget template and the exact step-by-step process I personally use. Let's dive in. What is zero-based budgeting and why it works? Income, expenses equals zero. Popularized by Dave Ramsey, used by corporations and millionaires. Benefits, reduces overspending, builds wealth faster, eliminates where did my money go feeling. Visual, animated graphics showing money flowing into buckets until the last dollar is assigned. Tools you'll need for 2026. Free Google Sheets/Excel template, link in description. Bank statements and pay stubs. Bills calendar. Budgeting app, optional, Enab, Every Dollar, Monarch, or just spreadsheets. Quick demo of the exact template you'll give away. The 7-step zero-based budget process, core tutorial. Write down your total income for the month. Include salary, after tax, side hustles, child support, dividends, etc. Show how to calculate take-home pay if you're salaried versus hourly. Screenshot example, January 2026 total income equals $5,842. Step 2, for 30 to 6 o'clock, list all expenses and give every dollar a job. Categories to cover, show expandable list on screen. Giving, tithes, charity. Savings, emergency fund, sinking funds, retirement, investments. For walls, housing, utilities, food, transportation. Other essentials, insurance, debt payments, childcare. Everything else, subscriptions, dining out, fun money, gifts, etc. Pro tip, start with last month's spending as a baseline, then adjust. Subtract expenses from income, must equal zero. Income, $5,842. Expenses so far, $5,620, still $222 left to assign. Narrate, this $222 now has to go somewhere, extra debt, Christmas 2026 fund, or car maintenance sinking fund. No money left unassigned. Adjust until you hit zero. Show real-life tweaking. Realized Netflix plus Hulu plus Disney plus equals $47, cancel one. Lowered eating out from $400 $250. Move the savings to emergency fund. Put it in priority order, the budget pyramid. Top giving. Savings and investing. 4 walls. Debt payoff. Everything else. This order protects what matters most. Track spending daily and adjust mid-month. Show a simple transaction register sheet. When you spend, subtract it immediately. Demo a $18 coffee run reducing the dining out category in real time. Do a monthly budget meeting and roll with the punches. Last week of the month, schedule 30-minute meeting, even if single. Review what worked, what didn't. Create next month's budget based on reality. Celebrate wins. Common mistakes beginners make in 2026. 1. Forgetting annual expenses, car registration, Amazon Prime, etc. 2. Being too strict and quitting by February. 3. Not involving spouse/partner. 4. Guessing instead of using real numbers. 5. Never assigning fun money burnout. Free 2026 zero-based budget template walkthrough. Monthly budget tab. Sinking funds tracker. Debt snowball sheet. Bills calendar. Transaction log. Drop a like if you're doing zero-based budgeting in 2026. Comment your monthly income goal below. Subscribe and hit the bell. Next video is how I budget $10,000 plus months on a variable income. See you in the next one.